Lesson overview. An attachment is a file you send along with an email, a CV, a photo, a scanned letter. Knowing how to attach, receive, and share files is a core workplace skill. Attaching a file. Start a new email. Click the paperclip icon or Attach Files. Choose the file from your computer or cloud drive. Wait until it shows Attached before sending. Common file types. .pdf, fixed layout, ideal for CVs and forms. .docx, Microsoft Word document. .xlsx, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. .jpg or .png, images. .zip, a folder of compressed files. Receiving attachments safely. Only open attachments from people you trust. Be cautious of unexpected .zip or .exe files. They can carry viruses. If unsure, message the sender to confirm they sent it. Sharing bigger files. Email has size limits, usually about 25 megabytes. For bigger files, use cloud links. OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox. Upload the file, then share a link instead of attaching. Try this. Open your email. Compose a message to yourself and attach a small file, like a screenshot or a Word doc. Send it, then open the attachment from your inbox.